Hello friend, in this video we explain the working of LMI load pressure sensor used in the XCMG QY60 crane, mobile crane. You will learn how this sensor works, how hydraulic pressure is converted into the electrical signal, how the signal is down show on the LMI display, and how the wiring is connect. We also explain how to check the sensor using a multimeter and how the ready status appear on the LMI display. This video helpful for crane operator, technician, electrician, operator who want to understand LMI system basic and crane safety. And this video part 2 mobile crane XCMG. First video we will explain about LMI system and also boom limit switch. Inshallah we will explain you about all sensor step by step. This sensor is the location cylinder jack on the top. This sensor name pressure transducer and boom lift pressure sensor. On the LMI display, the sensor value is shown in the real time as the act load updating smoothly as boom move or load change. Boom length, boom angle and radius are also displayed. Max show the crane safe limit and ready to green light appear when the sensor work properly and abnormal signal overload trigger and instead wiring. Now we will show you. We use this joystick lever boom hub. Then you see this value here. Change this value. See this now 25.4. Now we down the boom, then you see this value 20, 19, 17. You will see in display when the boom lift pressure sensor signal reach 17.0 on the LMI display, the boom stop and the ready light turn on. This happen because LMI system has reached the preset safe operating limit for the boom length and load. Reduce the sensor, measure the hydraulic pressure and convert into the voltage signal. The LMI controller appear this real time signal with the crane maximum safe load and boom position limits. When the value reach 17.0, the system interrupt is safe but a maximum allowed pressure, so it automatically stop the boom. When we boom down, then see this value is changes on display. Now we will use this bypass switch. Then we completely down this boom. See this value is changed and we will use the bypass switch and completely boom down. You watch the complete video. In the last part I am explain completely about the wiring diagram of the sensor. In this section we will explain the wiring of LMI load pressure sensor used in the XCMG QY60K mobile crane. To avoid any copyright issue, we have created this wiring diagram by hand using this hand made wiring diagram. We will clearly explain the sensor wiring pin function, voltage value, and how the signal goes to LMI control module. This is the before we show you in the starting the sensor location, and this sensor location before I will show you in the cylinder head upside. This is the boom lift pressure sensor installed on the hydraulic line of the boom lift cylinder. This sensor measures the hydraulic pressure generated during lifting and convert into electrical signal for the LMI system. This sensor uses 3-pin connector. Pin 1 red wire 5V supply from the LMI module. Pin 2 black is ground, and pin number 3 yellow and white is output signal wire. We will show you this location and also explain about wiring. This one, this sensor pressure transducer or boom lift pressure sensor. This pin number 1 is the red, pin number 2 black, and pin number 3 some yellow, use some white, and pin number 1 red is the 5V supply LMI module, come to LMI module, and pin number 2 is the ground wire, and pin number 3 is the signal wire output. I will show you this also, this color and this voltage value, and also how you test with multimeter. When you test with multimeter, you use the probe number 1, number 2, then you must show the 5V. That means your supply is correct, your supply is good. And again you check pin number 3 and pin number 2 without load. If you test, then this value show this 0.5 and 1.0 voltage. When you operate the machine and load increase, voltage smoothly increase. When you lift the boom, then if your signal is properly working good, 0.5 to 4.5 volt, that means your sensor is properly work. This video explains the working, wiring, and display signal of the LMI pressure sensor used in XCMG QY60 crane mobile crane. If you have any question, comments below. Subscribe YouTube channel, and we will share you more knowledgeable video. And also next video we will also share is about how to calibrate this sensor.